In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-fit columns and rows. So looking at my Excel sheet on screen, if you notice, January, February, April, the June, July, September, and December, they all have an equal column sizes. Likewise with my rows, for 3 rows, the 4th rows, the 5th rows, and the 6th rows. So how we can solve the problem. First, let me explain to you why Excel shows hashtags in these multiple cells. So when Excel displays hashtags in multiple cells, it does not mean there is an error with your formula or the data that you have in that particular cell, like what we have here on screen. The hashtags are simply a visual indicator that Excel cannot display the full value based on the current cell settings, as you see here. One common reason this happens is when the column is too narrow. When it's too narrow, the number, the date, the time, or the data for that particular cell is longer than the column width. When the number is too large or the data in that cell is too large to fit in the current format, that's when hashtags appears. So there are 3 steps that you can use to solve that. First step is by pressing Control A, which will allow you to select the entire data that you want to apply these auto-fit changes to. Next is by holding the key Alt and then press H and then O and then I. Kaboom. Look what happens. It automatically fit the entire data in that particular cell. And now I don't have hashtags anymore. Now let's look at the rows. For the row 3, row 4, 5, 6, and so forth, they're all unequal as well. So in order to clean it up in row perspective, you can also use this next step by pressing the Alt key, the H, the O, and the A. This, my friend, will solve how to auto-fit rows as well as column. Thank you for watching.